Hi everyone!
Hello.
Alam nyo, retirement is a few years far away for us, pero we're making it a part of our lifestyle already, especially through travels.
Well, traveling is not really a luxury, but it's our way of showing that this is part of our retirement. And this Christmas, guess what?
We're
We are going to
traveling.
spend time with our family.
We're traveling. Yep.
Yeah.
So in this video, we're going to show you how we save and how we plan our travels. So stick with us! Okay. So how far out do we plan? We plan like 18 months before the actual trip. That's when the conversation starts like, hey, are we going on a trip? Where do you want to go next? Ganun.
By 12 months, seryoso na kami nun.
Oo.
Nag-inquire na kami sa mga Expedia, Google Flights for cheap tickets.
Yeah, we compare prices ng mga airlines.
Right. It's like
diba?
monitoring the stock market every day.
We get notification like when the price
Yeah.
goes down, and then we try to book already our flights as soon as the dates are available. And also being flexible with the dates, it really helps. So yung mga 1 or 2 days difference, it's like a big difference sa price ng ticket nyo, mga a couple of $100. So if you're flexible, the better. Because when you travel, when you go to like different places, what you usually experience is the food.
Yeah.
Di ba? I mean, ako, di ba tayo yun ang hinahabol namin?
Yeah, all the
When we
time.
go to different places, we wanna try local food. And if ever you deviate from your budget, let's say, tumaas ng konti yung sa hotel mo, then adjust the budget of another item. And tracking expenses, it's like a training for retirement na rin yan. If you don't track your expenses, you're always going to wonder where your money went. Diba? And also, like, I'm sure like when you travel, you always use your credit cards because that's more convenient, diba?
Yeah, very convenient.
So make sure that whatever you charge on your credit card, you pay it on the next billing cycle.
Yeah.
We have this other video that we made previously. It's right here. You can watch that one, and we talked about how to be smart when using your credit cards. And I think that would help you a lot. So when we plan for our travel, we also plan on how to save for our travels. Diba? So what we do is we have a travel fund. So every month we put aside like money. Let's say $300 per paycheck. So let's say that's $600 per month. And then for the whole year, for 12 months, makakasave na kami ng mga 7,000 plus.
Yeah, laki.
So, yung pakonti-konti na yon, you won't feel that it's a lot of money that you're spending kasi you put it aside eh.
Tsaka one way of saving also, yung mga DIY.
Yeah, mga
Small things like haircuts. Alam mo,
Yeah.
vintage na yung clippers namin. 25 years na ito, no? And still going. Yeah, ang gumugupit sa akin si Eileen.
Basta ang masisave mo, malaki rin yun. Mga
Malaki, ah.
300,
Oo.
is it 300, almost $400. So that's, at least that money is like, it goes to our pocket money for our travels. And also, we always bring lunch to work. Always. That's always. And let's say 10 to 15.
Yeah, mahal.
$15. So that one we can save like $30 a day times 500.
Tipid.
$150 a week.
Yeah.
Tignan na lang natin ito.
Oh.
Ito yung masisave natin. That's how we save for our trips. Diba? Without feeling deprived. Kasi intentional yun eh. We do it because we want to. And it's not that because hindi na kami kakain.
But remember, we don't do this prior to trips. We do this as a habit.
When it comes to pasalubong, we think of practical items. Usually food. Let's say when we go to the Philippines, food from here, and then when we come back to the US, food from there.
80% of what we bring in.
Yeah, because a lot of people want local foods. Yeah. Not only from the Philippines, like whenever we go to other countries,
Yeah.
local food ang dala-dala namin pauwi. You know what? Travel is more than fun for us. It is a key part of our retirement dreams. By planning early, spending wisely, that's when we're gonna make our dreams happen.
Yeah. And in this Christmas trip, we're going to show you how to balance retirement goals and the budgeting ng travel. Yeah.
So if you're planning your own trips or planning your retirement, we hope that these tips help.
Yes.
So please consider subscribing to our channel
And hit the notification bell.
and also like our videos. And also we want to let you know that we're doing bakasyon episodes and we're gonna show you where we're going and we're gonna be sharing with you what we are going to be doing during that vacation.
So we'll see you at the airport.
Thank you. See
All right.
you.
Bye.